Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. Stick around and watch the video until the end. So if you want fun tips, tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So this is it. So some people always, when they open Google Chrome, just like this when you try to search, they show them the error of your connection isn't private. So in this video I'm going to show you how to overcome that. So all you have to do is watch until the end. So first things first, head back on those three dots up there and then head to your history, and then I'm going to ask you to try to clear browsing data. So when you try to clear browsing data, you tap on clear browsing data. That's those words there, tap on it, and then you're going to touch that from the last hour. You see the word below advanced, touch on last hour and then turn it all the time. When you tap on all the time and then you clear. Yes, that's the first solution, the first thing I expect you to do, and then all this will appear like nothing is there, so as to make sure that your connection becomes private and you avoid issues of people disorganizing your account. So another thing is hold on to the application and then try to clear the cache. You can either go to the applications in your settings and then clear cake from there. You get the app from the settings, or like this, you just clear cake. That is the second way. Then the other way, and meanwhile, if you're picking value in this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then the other way is head on to your Google Play Store. And try your very best, search for Google Chrome and check on Google Play Store in case there's any update that you're missing, because it's very vital, because more updates, more security updates are being done on those applications, so that you don't have any problems like this one, why they show your connection is not private. So that's the video. With this you should be able to solve the problem, and thanks for watching.